At Monitor, we have a long and extensive experience within the manufacturing industry, and we've been working with streamlining for more than 45 years.
Monitor is a standard system that covers all processes in a manufacturing company. This means that we deliver an out-of-the-box solution for every customer, so they don't have to spend millions on customized solutions.
Monitor has its roots here in Hudiksvall, where the Swedish headquarters are located. But we're also present in over 10 countries around the world, with subsidiaries in Norway, Poland, China, Finland, and Malaysia. And in 2013, we opened our office in Penang. Since then, we have grown substantially in the area and now have a complete team of developers, support, consultants, and a sales organization to serve the market in Southeast Asia. Together with us, here at Monitor, everything is possible. We give you all the tools to face the future in the best possible way. See ya!